Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of June 2023 for all Virgo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of June for all the Virgo Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all Virgo Ascendant people, Sun controls your 12th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Taurus, where Mercury is already moving. 12th house deal with isolation, spirituality, your foreign related matters. We see your bedroom is seen from your 12th house, your foreign settlement is seen from 12th house. Now the lord of your 12th house is moving in your 9th house, and 9th house deal with your higher education, your father, your teachers, your mentors, your travel related matters, especially your long distance travel is seen from 9th house. So we can expect, if you are trying to move abroad from previously from last 2.5 years, so we can expect during this time in the month of June you may have positive result regarding your travel related matters or your pilgrimage related matter. If you are previously trying to do some pilgrimage during this time, you may have chances to do so, because your 12th house it means your spirituality in the house of religion, so we can expect these results. But as we discussed previously, 9th house also deals with your father, your teachers, your mentors. So sun also represent ego, and Mercury is already moving there, so we can expect you may have some ego battles with your teachers or your father in the month of June. Sun will stay in your 9th house till 15th of June. After 15th June, Sun will move to your 10th house in the sign of Gemini. 10th house deal with your career, your workplace, your work environment, your work colleague, and all matter related to your work is seen from 10th house. Your authority, your respect, your bosses is seen from 10th house. So when your 12th house lord is moving in your 10th house, so we can expect if your work is somehow related to foreign countries, or if you are working in foreign companies, means multinational company, or your work is somehow connected to foreign. If your earning is come from foreign land, so we can expect positive result for you people in the month of June, because after 15 June when Sun will move in your 10th house, so we can expect your 12th house lord, means your lord of foreign land and foreign related matters, is moving in your house of work. So we can expect you may have some work related to foreign country, or if you are not doing any work related to foreign country, or you are not working in multinational company and you are working in your birthplace, so we can expect you may have some disturbance or ego battle, but you will have the average result regarding your 10th house matter in the month of June. And expect you may have more communication related work in the month of June, because Sun will be moving in 10th house in the sign of Gemini in number 3 sign, and Gemini sign represent communication. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of June. For all Virgo Ascendant people, Mercury is very important planet for you people, because Mercury controls your first house and your 10th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Taurus, where Sun is already moving. As we discussed previously, Mercury just come into your 9th house on 8 June 2023, and Mercury will stay in your 9th house till the whole month of June. First house deal with you, your personality, your nature, your all aspects of life, your health in general, and all thing about you we can see from your first house. 10th house, as we discussed previously, 10th house deal with your work environment, your work colleague, your authority, your respect, your fame, and your bosses. So we can expect your 10th house and your ascendant lord is right now moving in your 9th house. 9th house deal with luck, 9th house deal with promotions, like 9th house deal with guidance. So we can expect you may have some guidance, and as we discussed previously, you may have some travel related matter in the month of June, because your ascendant lord is moving in your 12th house lord in 9th house, means in the house of travel. So maybe if you are planning to travel from last 2.5 months, so we can expect during the month of June you may have the opportunity to do so. You may have the opportunity to do travel on the pilgrimage, because your ascendant lord and your lord of foreign land is moving in the house of travel in your 9th house with Sun. You can expect these results for Mercury in the month of June. Mercury also controls your 10th house, so as we discussed, you may have some positive result, or you may have to do communication related work more in the month of June at your workplace. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of June for you people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all Virgo Ascendant people, Venus controls your 2nd house and your 9th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Cancer. Second house control your family lineage, your family values, your savings, your family wealth, your assets, and your speech, your food intake habit, etc. etc. Ninth house, as we discussed previously, ninth house deal with your father, your teacher, your mentor, your higher education, your long distance travel, your guidance, etc. etc. All of these things can be seen from your ninth house. One thing here is very important to discuss is that Ketu is moving in your second house from last year March 2022. So we can expect you may have some disturbance, or your family member, one of your family members may have some disturbance in their life from last year 2022, because Ketu is moving in your second house in the house of family. But right now, second house Lord is moving in your 11th house with Mars in a debilitation state. So we can expect you may have some gain related to money which you are expecting from previously regarding that matter, or especially your financial matter. But Mars is already moving in your 11th house in its weak state, means in its debilitation sign. So we can expect you may have to put a lot of effort. We can expect you have to do a lot of effort to get gains in the month of June, which Venus indicates in the month of June. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of June for you people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Moon controls your 11th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of June, and on the basis of 6th June we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house in monthly prediction video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit easily in your birth chart. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving in transit near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some disturbance, issues and problems in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, disturbance and issues are always associated with that house. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving in transit near naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect you may have some disturbance, issues and problems regarding any matters. The malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So whenever Moon is moving in transit near any of these planets, we can expect some disturbance, issues and problems in our life. Especially the problem will come from the house significance in which the Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Mars controls your third house and your eighth house. And right now Mars is moving in your 11th house in its debilitation state, means in its weak position. Third house deal with your younger siblings, your communication skills, your efforts, your neighbors, your childhood friends, your skills, means your hand skills of your hands, your mainly, but your communication is seen from third house and your efforts is seen from third house. Eighth house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your unearned money. All of these things is seen from 8th house, and Rahu is moving in your 8th house from last year March 2023. So we can expect Mars taking the Rahu's energy in your 11th house, and Mars is weak there. So as we discussed in Venus section, you may have gained in the month of June, but you may have to do a lot of effort to get gains in the month of June, because your third house lord of your efforts is moving in 11th house in this weak state. So maybe you may face some disturbance, issues regarding your friend circle or your professional network circle in the month of June. So you need to be careful regarding these matters in the month of June. Also your 8th house lord is controlling by Mars, so we can expect suddenly argument may arise from your friend circle or your professional network circle in the month of June. So we can expect these results from Mars in the month of June. We have three major astrological events in the month of June. Number one, as we discussed previously, Mercury on 8 June moved from your 8th house to your 9th house on 8 June 2023 and will stay in your 9th house on the whole month of June. Second important major astrological event is that Sun will move to your 10th house. Sun will move to your 10th house on 15 June 2023 in the sign of Gemini. Third major and important major astrological event is that Saturn will turn into its retrograde motion in your 6th house on 18 June 2023 and will stay retrograde till 4 November 2023. rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction video. If you are interested to know the results of these planets in our yearly prediction video, then you can check my yearly prediction playlist and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video, monthly prediction of June 2023 for Virgo Ascendant, ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.